Psychology trick for new nurses to stay calm. Stressed on the floor or studying for exams? Try the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique, a nurse favorite hack to manage chaos. Name 5 things you see, like your stethoscope, sticky notes, IV pump, alcohol pad, glucometer. 4 things you can touch, your scrubs, badge, keyboard, monitor. 3 things you hear, monitor beeps, phone ringing, IV pump. 2 things you smell, hand sanitizer, bleach wipes. And 1 thing you taste, your coffee. This anchors you in high-pressure moments, backed by science. Sensory focus lowers cortisol fast. Takeaway: next shift or study session, use 5-4-3-2-1 to stay focused and calm in under a minute. Daily psychology tips for nursing students and new nurses in 60 seconds. From handling stress to thriving in healthcare, these shorts turn science into your superpower. Subscribe for life hacks.